Hey everybody, how's it going? Out here trying to catch some more white bass. We tried here once during this last week and we had a storm, so everything was kind of put off. It was cold. We didn't have any luck. We're back here today. We've already seen two swipe at us. I got on a little spoon and Nicole's got on a little spinner. I'm gonna probably switch up to a jig here in a minute and just see. It's still kind of cold. We got a storm coming in about 2 hours, 2-3 hours. It's supposed to be thunderstorms, so it'll probably put off the fish. So we're gonna hurry and fish along this bank and hopefully find them, and hopefully it's a good day. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, got on my white jig. Open first cast. There we go. First cast. There we go. Sweet, they're here. Yeah, that jig might work out better for you. You can go a little slower with it and get some action too. That's what's kind of nice about it.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to keep some next time. Get my fillet knife.
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
I don't have it yet.
That's not gonna work.
Sweet. There you go. Nice job. Little guy. He's bigger than I thought, actually. There you go.
That's
nice.
fish.
Nice job. You got him right along the shore, huh?
Yeah.
Last cast for me right here.
I got it.
Did you? There you go. Nice.
Thanks, buddy.
Nicole with another. She's out fishing me again. Guess I gotta put something on other than this jig. Nice job.
Thanks.
There you go.
I think I found them.
Yeah, they're all schooled up right there, huh? Four to two.
Oh, one came up to it. 4 to 2.
Have a little nice friendly competition right here. Oh, what? That guy's a baby. You don't even count. He counts as half.
No. I still caught him.
That's half a one. Oh, I just had a bite. Dang it. I think I'm moving too fast, but got a little bit too much weight. Nice job.
Hey.
There you go, Nicole.
Seven to 2.
All right, I'm gonna have to switch up. Killing it with that spinner. Ain't liking this jig for some reason.
They're kind of chunky.
Jeez.
I often have to switch to the jig.
She just freaking caught one right in front of me. My jig just went through that hole. Like instantly. I went through it, she threw right into the same spot, and bam. There you go.
Ouch! You made me bleed.
I think we should have an award for who gets their fish off the fastest though.
Oh, I believe
How you
that
feel?
100% of the time. You made me bleed.
I'm sorry, you alright?
Yeah. It flopped as I was trying to get my
It
finger
happens,
in
you
his
gotta watch out for those spikes.
mouth. It wasn't a spike, it was my hook. I was trying to
Ooh.
get my finger in his mouth.
Yikes.
Nice.
That's good. Dude, and held it. Alright, Nicole just...
Broke our 15-minute slow streak.
Uh-huh, nice job.
Thanks.
See if they want white. Should go and grab my fly rod, actually. You know what? I might just do that. Alright, we'll be back after these messages. I'll be back grabbing my fly. Alright, Nicole's on another. Setting up the fly rod.
Ooh. Well, I guess that's one way.
They'll figure it out. Nice job.
Thanks.
Skilling it. 10 to 4?
10 to 4.
10-4. She likes my cheesy
I do like his cheese.
pun
I like
dad
cheesy
jokes.
stuff.
Well, Nicole got one. I think I need to put on something a little bigger and flashier.
He's one of the biggest white bass I've ever caught.
Yeah, take a picture of him. You're on my rod, just so you know.
Right next to it. I saw it there.
There we go. Oh no! No, he finally took it and it got off. Dang it. Got one. I wish it would have been on the fly rod, but we'll take it. Oh, don't take my head. I was gonna take a picture. He doesn't want to pose for me. He doesn't want to open his mouth. Alright, there we go. Just move spots. I don't know if I should try the fly rod or not. Might regret not trying. Ooh. I'm gonna have to go faster with my streamer. Yeah, I'll take another picture later. All right, I stopped recording. My camera was getting hot and I decided to let it charge. Dipped it in my backpack. Been catching them. I've probably caught about 10 to 20 in the last hour. I went over to the main marina, was trying to catch some crappie. Ended up catching a catfish, a little mudcat, and now I'm back over here. Caught about 5 since being here. We got that storm's finally coming in. Should get thunderstorms pretty soon, and I'm slowly catching them. Nothing exciting. I wasn't gonna record. I was gonna say goodbye, but maybe I'll record a little before I go. I'm gonna see how fast the fishing speeds up right before this thunderstorm hits. There you go. Definitely slow. He was right next to the bank. It's a hefty one. All right, not a fast day overall. We were getting into them when we first got here. It was pretty fast action, and then it started to slow down, and then it would kind of get hot, slow down, get hot, slow down. Once the wind and the clouds really got in here, it really slowed down a lot. It was kind of cool to catch that mudcat on the fly rod. Was really hoping for a crappie, but might have put up a bigger fight than the crappie. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully we can get back out here soon. It's nice only being about 30 minutes from here. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully we can get back out here soon. I will see you guys next time. Alright, well, I was gonna be done, but then I just caught a crappie. I saw, oh shoot. No. No. That sucks. At least my hole set up. Dang it. Alright, I just got set back up. Got a big bobber, unfortunately. Should be alright, but it's overkill. Oh no. That was a nice splash from that carp. Waiting for my Hogwarts letter.
You might be waiting a really long time.
So I was thinking, maybe we can still do the... There we go.
Nice.
Kind of took you this way. He's bigger than my last one.
Yay!
He's much bigger than my last one. Hi, about time. I just gotta get closer. I can actually hold his mouth.
Gonna hold the other one out.
Oh, yeah. Last guy was pretty small.
He's cool looking.
Jeez, I can't get my jig. Alrighty, I'm gonna take a picture real quick. Drop my phone in the water.
Oh God, don't do that.
Cool. He's a nice size.
He wasn't excited. Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
In the next couple weeks?
I might be waiting for one.
There you go. Small. We're over here talking about getting some internet. Got distracted. Saw I go down, didn't know what was going on.